Hey learners, welcome back to Edu Intern Voyage. Your learning journey starts.
Reasons behind the downward slope of the demand curve. The demand curve is a graphical representation that shows the relationship between the price of a commodity and the quantity demanded. It normally slopes downward from left to right, indicating that consumers purchase more when the price decreases and buy less when the price increases. One law of diminishing marginal utility. The most important reason is the diminishing marginal utility. As a consumer buys more units of the same product, the satisfaction, utility, obtained from each additional unit decreases. To purchase additional units, the consumer will only be willing if the price is lower. Thus, lower utility forces the demand curve to slope downward. 2. Income effect. When the price of a commodity falls, the consumer's real income or purchasing power increases. With the same money, they can buy more goods than before. This increase in real income encourages consumers to buy more, leading to a rise in quantity demanded. Hence, the demand curve moves downward as price falls. 3. Substitution effect. When the price of a good falls, it becomes cheaper than substitute goods. Consumers shift from expensive substitutes to the cheaper product. For example, if tea price falls, people buy more tea instead of coffee. This substitution effect increases demand at lower prices, contributing to the downward slope. 4. New buyers market expansion effect. Lower prices attract new buyers who previously could not afford the product. This expands the market and increases total demand. Thus, the entry of additional consumers strengthens the downward movement of the demand curve. 5. Different uses of the commodity. Some goods have multiple uses. When price falls, consumers use the goods for more purposes. Example, electricity may be used not only for lighting but also for heating or cooking when cheaper. Thus, lower prices increase total demand due to increased usage. 6. Psychological effect. Consumers often feel psychologically satisfied when buying a product at a lower price. A higher price discourages purchases, while a lower price motivates higher demand. This psychological behavior also supports the downward slope. 8. Extension and contraction of demand. Extension and contraction of demand refer to the changes in the quantity demanded of a good due to changes in its own price, while all other factors such as income, tastes, and prices of related goods remain constant. These changes are shown along the same demand curve, not by shifting the curve. Extension of demand. Extension of demand means an increase in quantity demanded as a result of a fall in the price of the commodity. When the price decreases, consumers tend to buy more units because the product becomes relatively cheaper. This movement is shown as a downward movement along the demand curve from left to right. For example, if the price of a product falls from 50 rupees to 40 rupees and the quantity demanded increases from 20 units to 30 units, this reflects an extension of demand. This behavior occurs due to factors such as the substitution effect, income effect, and increased purchasing power of buyers. Contraction of demand. Contraction of demand means a decrease in quantity demanded due to a rise in the price of the commodity. When the price rises, consumers reduce consumption or switch to substitutes. This movement is shown as an upward movement along the same demand curve from right to left. For example, if the price rises from 40 rupees to 50 rupees and the quantity demanded falls from 30 units to 20 units, it indicates a contraction of demand. Reasons behind extension and contraction. Substitution effect. When the price falls, the good becomes cheaper compared to substitutes, leading to higher demand. Extension. When the price rises, consumers shift to substitutes. Contraction. Income effect. A fall in price increases real income, allowing consumers to buy more. A rise in price reduces real income, causing demand to fall. New buyers. At lower prices, new buyers enter the market, increasing demand. Bulk purchasing. When prices are low, consumers may buy in larger quantities for future use. Law of demand. Extension and contraction are direct results of the law of demand, which states an inverse relationship between price and quantity demanded. 9. Elasticity of demand definition and types. Elasticity of demand refers to the degree of responsiveness of quantity demanded of a commodity to a change in any of its determinants, such as price, income, or prices of related goods. In simple terms, elasticity measures how much the quantity demanded changes when one of the factors influencing demand changes. It is a crucial concept in economics because it helps producers, sellers, and policymakers make decisions related to pricing, taxation, and production levels. 1. Price elasticity of demand, PED. Price elasticity of demand measures the responsiveness of quantity demanded to a change in the price of the good. It is the most commonly used type of elasticity. Formula. PED is equal to percentage change in quantity demanded percentage change in price. Types under price elasticity include perfectly elastic demand, perfectly inelastic demand, relatively elastic demand, relatively inelastic demand, unitary elastic demand. 2. Income elasticity of demand, YED. Income elasticity measures the change in quantity demanded due to a change in consumer income. It helps classify goods as normal goods, demand increases when income increases. Inferior goods, demand decreases when income increases. Luxury goods, highly responsive to income changes. Formula. YED is equal to percentage change in quantity demanded percentage change in income. 3. Cross elasticity of demand, CED. Cross elasticity examines the responsiveness of demand for one product to a change in the price of another product. This type reveals whether goods are substitutes, positive cross elasticity example, tea and coffee. Complements, negative cross elasticity example, car and petrol. Unrelated goods, zero elasticity. Formula. CED is equal to percent change in quantity demanded of good A percent change in price of good B. 4. Advertising or promotional elasticity. This type of elasticity measures the responsiveness of demand due to changes in advertising expenditure. It is widely used by firms to evaluate the effectiveness of promotional strategies.
If you are a BCom student who wants simple, clear, and reliable study content, subscribe to Edu Intern Voyage, like the videos, and start your learning journey today.